Did you know that honey never spoils? Archaeologists have found pots of honey in ancient Egyptian tombs that are over 3,000 years old and still perfectly edible. Did you know that octopuses have 3 hearts? 2 pump blood to the gills, and 1 pumps it to the rest of the body. Did you know that the Great Wall of China is not visible from the moon with the naked eye? This is a myth. Astronauts say it's barely visible from low Earth orbit. Did you know that a day on Venus, rotation on its axis, is longer than a year on Venus, orbit around the Sun? Venus rotates extremely slowly but orbits the Sun relatively quickly. Did you know that honeybees can recognize human faces? Did you know that the word nerd was first coined by Dr. Seuss in If I Ran the Zoo in 1950? Did you know that a jiffy is an actual unit of time? It is defined as the time it takes light to travel 1 centimeter in a vacuum, approximately 33.3564 picoseconds. Did you know that the Eiffel Tower can be 15 centimeters taller during the summer due to the expansion of iron when it's hot? Did you know that a single strand of spaghetti is called a spaghetto? Did you know that the smell of freshly cut grass is actually a plant distress call? Did you know that humans and giraffes have the same number of neck vertebrae, 7? Did you know that the world's largest desert is not the Sahara, but Antarctica? Did you know that the shortest war in history was between Britain and Zanzibar in 1896? Zanzibar surrendered after 38 minutes. Did you know that bananas are berries, but strawberries aren't? Did you know that the shortest war poem ever written is by Ogden Nash? Candy is dandy, but liquor is quicker. Did you know that the word trivia comes from the Latin trivium, which referred to the 3 foundational arts of grammar, rhetoric, and logic? Did you know that honey never spoils? Archaeologists have found pots of honey in ancient Egyptian tombs that are over 3,000 years old and still perfectly edible. Did you know that the average person will spend 6 months of their life waiting for red lights to turn green? Did you know that the word alphabet comes from the first 2 letters of the Greek alphabet, alpha and beta? Did you know that the collective noun for a group of owls is called a parliament? Did you know that a quadrillion has 15 zeros? Did you know that there is a mathematical theorem named after actress Hedy Lamarr? It involves secure communication technology.